Hi. Do you have thermometers there?
Yeah, we certainly do.
I broke one.
No, actually the planet broke one. Here's my Galileo thermometer, and I wanted to record this video earlier, but I was busy editing others, so it has cooled off some. But at the top, if you can read the tag on that, that says 100. And that ball was sinking. The lowest floating ball is the temperature. And it looks like the 95 is just barely floating, so it's more like 95 now, but all of them were sunk down. It was really hot. Now it's cooled off some, but anyway, I broke another thing. Well, actually I didn't break it, it just broke. And the pool brush just had it. And it's an interesting story. There was one of these here, oh, made in USA no less. There was one of these here when I moved in the house, and it was already broken like this. And I just put like a broomstick in here and drove like a drywall screw through it. And that was a bad idea because it actually went through the broomstick and had a little point sticking out. I could have easily torn the liner, but it actually never happened. And then when I got tired of that, I actually went out and bought one. And that broke years ago, or actually I think what happened was the bristles just gave up on it, and that was the end of that. And this one I had remembered seeing in the garage when that one started falling apart. I said, wait a minute, I think there was one in the garage, and I dug it out, and here it is. And I guess maybe just over the years the plastic got old or something like that. So that brush is no good. This piece is still good, so I could save that. And I went on Amazon and looked for a new brush. And here's the one I found. And it's metal. yeah, it comes Chinanized, and I'm sure it's made in China. Let's see. Yep, made in China. There you go. But it is metal. It's thin. It's crap, I'm sure. And I just was looking for brushes, pool brushes, and it happened to mention, after I found this one that I kind of liked the way it looked, that it was the #1 bestseller in pool brushes. So I got that, so that's that. So that's one part of the story. The next is, there's leaves in the pool. There's some on the surface, some on the floor, and we're just over the skimmer. I'm not worried about that. It's going to evaporate quick because it's so hot. But I got to put Robot in. And we got a little greenet that I need to brush. It just does that over the week, and I brush it and it's fine, and I'll put in Robot and he'll take care of the rest. And we had a storm that blew all kinds of leaves around a few days ago, and I haven't run Robot, and it's time because it's so hot, so I need to get in the pool, so we're going to put Robot in. I'll do the abbreviated version. I'm just going to hook him up, go to the pump, show you the airlock and all that fun stuff, and then I have a surprise. I sprayed the ACs down with the hose because it's so hot. They thanked me up and down for that. I even did the garage one. But anyway, got Robot in, switch is on, ready. Solar's on. I didn't drain it, but we'll be getting the airlocks down shortly. There's the other AC. Here we go. Any minute now. Here we go. There it is. Both pool pumps and both ACs running. The sounds of summer. JD's and Lentilman. The sounds of summer. Looks like Robot is having some fun. doing his thing. Oh, the reversing valve is on. That should be shutting momentarily. And robot goes down and starts roboting. The water is 92. I have the solar pegged full on, so even if it gets a bit cooler, it's still going to pull heat because it's so hot out. Might as well get the pool as warm as possible, so when the heat wave subsides, the pool will still be really warm for a few days. So we'll let Robot do his thing for a bit. He's already got some leafits, as you see. But it seems that Robot is lonely, swimming all alone. He squirted at me and asked me if I would come in. So I said, yeah, I will. And I figured you'd like to see me swimming with the Robot. But the camera doesn't agree with that kind. Remember this thing I reviewed like a long time ago? Well, it's waterproof. So although it won't be good, it'll be something at least. And I figure we'll give it a shot and see how it does in the water, and we can go swimming with Robot. I do remember that the sound was quite muffled even when it's dry, so I'm pretty sure as soon as it gets in the water, not going to be terribly happy. So the audio is probably going to suffer, but let's go in the pool with the Robot. Well, here we are in the craptastic camera. The reversing valve is on. Let's go swim with Robot. Got my hat back. I don't know if you can hear me at all. Oh, beer. Nice, nice. Here's the ladybug thermometer. You can't read it either. And it says it's 94. About 94. And the other thermometer, about 93, so right on, right on. So take a look at the jets here. Maybe we'll kick up some of the leave-its over there. He's running. I'll put the camera in front of it under the water. Not that you're going to see anything, but we'll try it. The camera blanks the screen out after a number of minutes, like a minute or something. Oh, I can't turn that. Well, try the other one. I can't turn that one now. I don't know why it's so tight. There we go. And let's see if we can see the bubbles under the water. So that's really it. It's just me. Let's go find Robot. Oh, I see his hose. He's down over here. See if I can catch him. Yes. Go swimming with Robot. I don't know how this video will come out, if it will come out at all. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Here's some B-roll footage. There's a moth that's here, and he's still alive, and if I put water on him, he starts fluttering, and look at the patterns in the water. I can do that again. I'm sort of in the deep part, so I can't really stand here. Oh, I think he's getting tired and waterlogged.